What is a KVM switch? A KVM switch, which stands for Keyboard, Video, and Mouse, allows you to control multiple PCs or servers from a single console. This is especially useful for home offices, data centers, or server rooms where space and efficiency are paramount. Using a KVM switch is straightforward. It connects to 2 or more computers, letting you switch between them easily. You can do this with the push of a button, a hotkey on your keyboard, or even through a mouse click. This functionality keeps your workspace neat and organized while saving you valuable time. Let's break down the benefits of a KVM switch. First, it allows you to manage multiple computers or servers without the need for separate keyboards and monitors. Second, it significantly reduces clutter on your desk. Third, it helps you save money since you won't need additional peripherals. In server rooms, having multiple KVM switches can save essential rack space and enhance operational efficiency. KVM switches support various configurations, with models that can connect anywhere from 2 to 64 computers. Another fantastic aspect is their adaptability. Some KVM switches even support audio and USB connections, allowing for broader application potential. There are specialized variants too, such as over-IP KVMs for remote management, or secure KVMs used in military and government environments. In conclusion, a KVM switch can revolutionize how you work or manage servers. It offers a simple but powerful solution for efficiently utilizing multiple computers without the headaches of excess equipment. That's it for now, guys. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.